was the kind of night that made you wish it was day. The streets were grayer than ever and the headaches were getting worse. Then she walked into my office, wearing heels that should have been classed as a deadly weapon and a face that fell into the same category. She told me a crazy story about her missing cat. And how she'd do just about anything to get him back. I started this case with a visit to my snitch. He usually had his ear to the ground. There was something familiar about the address that Des...
Don't tell me. The detective is the kidnapper. The headaches are blackouts when he's been out killing cats.
Is it that obvious?
Afraid so. Anyway, no Hollywood studio will want a script about a dog detective. Now, if you don't mind, there's a film on.
What is it?
Anton checks him. It's about a monkey running a hotel.
The dingo speaks a lingo.